wizard in training. I never could grasp the whole avocation class thing. I mean, it was always research this, practice that. I got tired of it. So, I decided to join the elite wizard classes instead. My goal? To master transmutation, conjuration, and avocation. The elite books were books of avocation, which is using raw energy to make objects. Our task? Dolls of avocation energy. I was on it. I was focused. But the one thing that messed it all up, I was distracted.
Welcome. I'm Walter Paragon, and as you already know, this is my wonderful, fantastic factory. Do mind the walls though, they're all a bit sticky from the candy. Yes, the candy. Here at Paragon Confections, we like our chocolate coming out of the walls, the floor, and even the pipes.
God, I hope that's chocolate. They're trying to get me to sell, but I'm not doing it.
No. Starting Monday, goodbye Paragon Confections. And hello, Paragon Weapons!
Welcome to Adliberum engine. So to create a new map, you type new map. You can turn creative mode on with .creative. I'm just going to set room image. So room image is trapped. We're now in a room with a stone plinth and a skull. And we're going to name the room trapped, so room name is trapped. And we're going to set the room description by using room description is you are standing in a room with only a skull only a skull atop a stone plinth for company. So now we've edited the room and that room is good to go. I'm going to look at adding objects, so we're going to build a plinth, so build plinth, and that adds plinth as an empty object. Then we're going to build skull.object, which adds school as an empty takeable object. And then we're going to say school description is, it has an odd sheen about it. Done. We're going to look. Now we're going to look at custom commands. So if take school, then delete school and build key.obj object. And what that's going to do is when you take the school, it's going to delete the school and it's going to build a key in its place because there's a key inside the school. On take school, say it slips from your grasp, because we want the skull to fall, to slip through your fingers, smashing on the ground, revealing a key. On build key object, so on build key.obj, say you spot a small key amongst the fragments. So when you type the command build key.object, or when that's called, it will build a key in its place and it will build some fragments. So now we're going to say if build key.object, then build fragments. So the fragments will appear. Moving on, we're going to next. We're going to create a few hidden objects. So build hatch.exit, which adds a hatch as an exit controller. So the .exit on the end builds it as a controller, which means you can then control a door, a direction with that object. And we're going to set the hatch to hidden, so hatch is hidden. Hatch is locked, that locks it. Hatch is closed. And hatch requires key. So the object that it requires will be key. Hatch controls up, or hatch controls U, and build exit up, or build exit U. So now we have a hatch and we have an up direction. We just need to hide both of them. So you can type exit U is hidden or exit up is hidden. Now we're going to move on to map transition, room map transition. First of all, the new room is a bit bright, so we're going to say room is dark and make it darker. You can use room is dark, light, well lit, bright, barely lit, pitch black. And we're going to name the room you escaped. So this is the room that we need to get to leave the level. And we're going to say room image is escaped, because we've got a picture called escaped.jpg. And finally we're going to say room description is you scramble through the hatch and run towards a set of stairs in hope they lead out. So that's set. By the way, we travelled up to get to this room to be able to edit it. When you build an exit, it builds a room as well. If there's already a room there, it won't overwrite the room. And now we're just going to build an exit back down so we can get back to the first room. what I plan to do is have a start point in the level as well, so that you automatically start there at the beginning. Currently you start at 0, 0, 0, but that might not be the start. So we move back down into the other room with a skull. And we just need to quickly hide the up direction, so U is hidden. Actually we need to set exit U is hidden, so U is locked, U is closed, so we're closing the up exit, and then our hatch is closed, we've closed the hatch. We also need to use the hatch controls U command. That makes it mirror anything that happens to the hatch will be mirrored on the up direction. If look up, then hatch is visible. So basically if we type lookup, I'm going to see it. On lookup, say you spy a hatch in the inner corner of the ceiling. Now this command, we're going to set a few custom commands, command variations, because you can call the same command and it will do the same result but just fire a different thing. So search equals look up will make, if they type search, it will turn that into look up. Look around will also do look around equals look up. And you could add more, but for the demo purposes we'll just add a few. Exit up is hidden because it's still not hidden, so exit U is hidden. And if look up, then hatch is visible and exit U is visible, or exit up is visible. So when you look up, it's going to make the hatch appear and the exit up appear. So we're going to do a quick run through. First we're going to look at skull, and it says it has an odd sheen to it. Then we're going to take the skull. You take the skull, it slips from your grass smashing on the ground. You spot a small key amongst the fragments. Okay. And we're going to look again, and it will show us that the key has been built and the fragments are now built. So we've got plinth, key and fragments. So we're going to take the key, we're going to take the fragments, but because they're not takeable, it's going to say you can't take the fragments. Then we're going to look finally, before we try and get out of this room. So we're going to look around. You spy a hatch in a corner of the ceiling above, and we're going to look again just to give us an idea of where we are. So now we can see the hatch. We can't go up because it says that way is closed, so we're going to open the hatch. The hatch appears locked. We're going to unlock the hatch. You unlock the hatch, brilliant. Open the hatch, you open the hatch. So we've used the key to open and unlock the hatch, and we've travelled up and we're out. And that's it, we escaped. Check it out at www.adliberum.com and let me know how you get on with it. Any questions, tweet me at Liam2s. It's twitter.com/Liam2s. LIAMTWOSE. Thanks for watching.